When parking on a hill or steep road, it is important that you prevent your vehicle from rolling into traffic if the parking brake were to fail. Simply turning your front wheels to the correct position and setting the parking brake can prevent a vehicle from accidentally rolling into traffic. In this video, we will show you the proper way to park on inclined and declined roadways. To park uphill or on an incline, identify and slowly pull into the parking space. Once you are positioned in the space, rotate the front wheels all the way to the left, with the front of the tires pointing away from the curb. Place the vehicle in park and set the parking brake. In this position, if the parking brake were to fail, the vehicle would roll back until the front tires are stopped by the curb. Parking on a decline or facing towards the bottom of a hill is a little different. After pulling into a parking space, rotate the front wheels all the way to the right, with the front of the tires pointing toward the curb. Once the vehicle and the wheels are in the correct position, place the vehicle in park and set the parking brake. In this position, if the parking brake were to fail, the vehicle would roll forward until the front tires are stopped by the curb. But what if there are no curbs where you park? What would you do? There is only one safe solution for parking on an inclined or declined roadway without curbs. Position your vehicle in the parking space and turn the front wheels to the right. Place the vehicle in park and then set the parking brake. By parking with the wheels turned to the right, if the parking brake fails, the vehicle would roll off the roadway and away from traffic. When parking on an incline or decline, prepare for the worst by always turning your tires to the proper direction and set the parking brake. This will keep your vehicle in place and other drivers, pedestrians, and parked cars safe.